This is the Amada pucking machine video. As you can hear, it's operating right now. The control panel.
You're only going to get a couple of speeds.
Okay. I'm just going to grab it up here for a second. You can see the auger moving. See the collector chute, which can also be done with a larger vertical sheet metal chute or an automatic feed with using the using a automatic loading auger. This unit is sitting atop of about an 18-inch high cement block to allow for the chip conveyor. And as soon as the pucks get compressed, they are then conveyed up into a chute and into this collection box. And this is where the pucks will drop. And you'll see the conveyor. When you process the conveyor for a second just to move it. There's the puck. Normally have a chute that goes right around here, rubber, and it's bolted onto their side, and it just collects it, helps to direct the puck down underneath the chip conveyor. Yep. There's the next one that pucked out. And this is the puck size, about a 3-inch diameter, about 2 inches thick. They can go up to look like 3 inches there. You can see the difference on this unit here. And there's the chute guard for the chip conveyor.